Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok app, and we are so happy to welcome you to our channel where we will show you how to get access to the list of the most popular effects on TikTok right now. We definitely know how important it is to catch up with the latest trends on TikTok, so let's check how to get access to the list of the most interesting trends and effects for the video creation right now. So as you can check, we need to tap on this plus icon on the central button, and let's click on the effects option on the left corner of the screen. Here we can find a lot of different segregation of the effects like funny, green screen. It will segregate the effects by their type. But we need to use the trending option. So guys, as you can check here, you can find a lot of the best and the most popular effects on the whole TikTok. And with these effects you can create the best trends on TikTok and definitely fall into the latest trends on the wave. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget to like our guide if it was, and I hope that you will create a new popular videos using our help. Don't forget guys to also subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!